Welcome to JH. I've been using Cove Balm, and it has quickly become my favorite way to pretend I actually take skin protection seriously. The texture is smooth and easy to apply, absorbing nicely without leaving that greasy layer that usually makes you look like you just escaped a deep fryer. It's comfortable enough for any time of day, which is lucky since my skin apparently doesn't take lunch breaks. I love that it feels calming right away, especially on those dry or irritated areas that serve as a constant reminder of my mortality. It gives me a soft, hydrated look that actually lasts, which is quite the feat. The scent is clean and gentle rather than smelling like a floral explosion in a perfume factory, making it safe for sensitive spots and incredibly versatile. What I appreciate most is its multi-purpose nature. You can slap it on your hands, lips, or elbows, basically anywhere that's currently screaming for help. It's a reliable all-around balm that makes my skin feel nourished instead of like high-grit sandpaper. Plus, you don't need much to get results, so the container actually lasts longer than my New Year's resolutions. I keep it close whether I'm at home or on the go, mainly because it makes life easier and I'm a sucker for convenience. It's a high-quality product that delivers real comfort, proving that sometimes things actually do what they say on the label.